Hi, my wealthy people. This is Andres, and welcome to my YouTube channel called The Path to Wealth. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy the video, smash that like button and leave a comment to show some love. A little bit of background about me. I'm currently serving in the military, and I created this channel to share my financial journey with you. I will be uploading at least 2 videos a week, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload the video. Hi guys, this is probably the worst investing week so far. I was up last week, but this week the market crashed because of the coronavirus. It seems like it's gonna keep crashing. The coronavirus is getting worse, but you know what? I'm taking advantage of that, and I've been buying stocks. Before I'm gonna go over my first week, I'm just gonna show you guys that I've deposited $500 this week. I put $500 because the market crashed this week, so I'm just taking advantage of that. Before I go to my slices of my pie, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my M1 Moneymaker portfolio. This is dividend stock investing. So as of now, I'm at $2,926, and my goal is to reach 10,000 by the end of this year. I'm gonna go to my weekly update. The first slice, the tech. Apple, I lost $2.41, which is down 3.09%. Microsoft, I lost 37 cents, which is down 6.64%. Cisco, I lost $2.24, which is down 3.85%. Nvidia, I lost $4.90, which is 8.29%. IBM, I lost $8.54 with a whopping loss of 14.31%. Intel, I lost 33 cents, which is 0.84%. Qualcomm, I lost 35 cents, which is 0.92%. Well, these two are actually amazing because I only lost less than 1%, which is surprising with how the market performed this week. Overall, for this week, my tech lost $19.14. No earned dividends. The return is down 4.91%. Tech is not bad this week. Now let's go to my consumer defensive pie. Costco lost $2.34, which is 2.43%. Well, I don't know if you guys seen the videos and pictures. The line was so long outside Costco because everybody is panicking because of the coronavirus. So if you guys Google that, you'll see a lot of people who are lining up just to buy toilet paper, which I think is really stupid. All right, Pepsi, I lost $4.44. Which is 5.66%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $4.41, which is down 5.60%. Coca-Cola, I lost $8.74, which is 11.21%. That's the biggest loss I have for this week. Walmart, I lost $1.16, and that's the lowest loss I have from my consumer defensive slice. Overall, from my consumer defensive slice, I lost $21.09. Market gains, I lost $21.68. Earned dividends is 59 cents. A total loss of 5.42%. Now let's go to industrial slice. Caterpillar, I lost $12.95, which is a whopping loss of 15.68%. 3M Company, I lost $5.31, which is down 6.79%. Waste Management, I lost $7.06, which is 8.97%. Lockheed Martin, I lost $7.94, which is 13.19%. United Technologies, I lost $9.57, which is 15.92%. Delta, I lost $6.21, which is 15.39%. Wow, I lost a lot from Dallas, United Technologies, and Caterpillar, which are all above 15% loss. So overall, for my industrial slice, I lost $49.04. No dividends for this week. I have total loss of 12.25%, which is the biggest one so far. Alright, let's go to my finance slice. Visa, I lost $2.99, which is down 4.43%. JP Morgan, I lost $1.07, which is 1.93%. Wow, that is amazing. It seems like that's one of the lowest loss so far. American Express, I lost $3.99, which is down 7.15%. Wells Fargo, I lost $8.95, which is 16.18%. Wells Fargo is my biggest loser when it comes to my finance stocks. Bank of America, I lost $1.63, which is 3.91%. Thursday night, I bought Royal Bank of Canada. This is my newest addition in my finance slice. Royal Bank, I gained $1.41, which is 5.64%. The only reason why this gained, and this is the only stock that gained this week, is because I bought it on Thursday and then the market went up Friday. So overall for finance, I lost $17.22. No dividends for this week. Return is down 6.11%. I'm gonna go to healthcare first before my real estate. So healthcare, Johnson & Johnson, I lost $6.73, which is down 4.81%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, I lost $5.74, which is 6.84%. AbbVie, I lost $2, which is 3.59%. My biggest loser is Vanguard Healthcare ETF, which is 6.84%. This is still not bad compared to my other stocks. So for this week, my healthcare lost $14.47. I got 19 cents dividends, and my total return is down 5.18%. This is one of the best slice for this week because I didn't lose that much from this slice. Before I go to my favorite slice of my pie, the real estate, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make this as my third stream of income, so help me grow my channel, and also hit that notification bell. I upload at least 2 videos a week, and of course follow my M1 finance journey. Follow me to my path to wealth. Now onto my real estate. Realty income, I lost $5.05, which is down 6.17%. Stag, I lost $7.37, which is 13.13%. Vanguard Real Estate, I lost $5.56, which is 10.31%. Welltower, I lost $16.14, which is a whopping loss of 27.52%. Wow, that's the biggest loss I've seen so far for this week. iStar, I lost $7.19, which is 17.25%. So as you guys can see, real estate got hit pretty hard this week. My total loss for real estate is $41.31. I got a 35 cents dividends. The return is a whopping loss of 14.16%. And as you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. So we'll go to my consumer cyclical slice. Disney, I lost $7.63, which is 10.05%. As you guys know, Disney is my biggest holding from my Robinhood account, and it's been disappointing so far. I bought them for $140 before. Now they are worth between $90 to $95. I should have waited for this time to buy Disney. Oh well, I just gotta keep investing, and hopefully it will go up. McDonald's, I lost $6.56, which is 10.52%. Home Depot, I lost $4.28, which is 8.40%. Starbucks, I lost $2.16, which is 5.85%. General Motors, I lost $3.28, which is down 12.68%. So my biggest loss for this week from my consumer cyclical is General Motors. My not so much loser for this week is Starbucks. So overall for this week, my consumer cyclical lost $23.91. I received 32 cents of dividends. Total return is down 9.49%. Communication, Verizon, I lost $2.21, which is 4.75%. AT&T, I lost $3.29, which is 6.92%. Activision Blizzard, I lost 4 cents, which is 0.18%. And Net is Incorporated, I lost 79 cents, which is 3.50%. It looks like my communication did good for this crash this week. My biggest loss is AT&T, which is 6.92%. For this week, my communication lost only $6.33. I got 7 cents dividends. My return is down 4.57%. This is the best slice I've seen so far for this week. Energy and utilities, Chevron, I lost $3.10, which is 10.55%. Nextra Energy, I lost $5.01, which is 17.01%. Vanguard Utilities, I lost $3.92, which is 13.58%. ExxonMobil, I lost $5.33, which is 18.60%. So my biggest loser for this week is, of course, ExxonMobil again. ExxonMobil has been going down this past few weeks, even months now. So I kept buying this. Hopefully it will bounce back. For energy/utilities, my overall loss is $17.36. I got 16 cents earned dividends, and I lost 14.92%. Now on to my no dividend. I know that this is a dividend investing portfolio, but I had to include the no dividends just because I just want them to be part of this pie. Alright, Amazon, I lost $3.13, which is 5.73%. Google, I lost $2.11, which is 5.13%. Google with an L, I lost $2.19, which is 5.33%. Tesla, I lost $7.92, which is a whopping loss of 22.02%. Wow, that's a big loss for Tesla this week. T-Mobile, I lost 43 cents, which is 1.58%. Facebook, I lost $1.34, which is 4.91%. Netflix, I lost $2.26, which is 8.22%. Virgin Galactic, I lost $7.21, which is a whopping loss of 29.69%. This is the biggest loss from my no dividend slice of my pie. This and second is Tesla, which is 22.02. And the lowest loss I have was T-Mobile, 1.58%. It looks like communication stocks did really well for this week. So overall for this week, this is one of my biggest losses. I lost $236.46. I only got $1.68 dividends. My return is down 8.39%. As you guys know, this result for this week is expected because the money is crashing. And they say that this is worse than 2008. And so I'm expecting for the market to keep crashing. If they can find the cure for the coronavirus, and if this coronavirus will get worse, expect more crash. That's gonna happen within these few months. And all I can say is don't sell your stocks. Keep buying stock because as history shows, whenever stock comes down, they will come up. So that's how you will win this investing game. Buy stocks while it's crashing. Take advantage of it. Hold it until they go back up. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.